The Sun, our nearest star, is a dynamic and ever-changing celestial object. While it provides the energy that sustains life on Earth, it also harbors powerful forces that can unleash chaos on our planet. Solar storms, which occur when magnetic energy in the Sun's atmosphere is suddenly released, can produce intense bursts of radiation and charged particles that can pose significant risks to both technology and human health. The anatomy of solar storms. Solar storms can take various forms, but two of the most destructive phenomena are solar flares and coronal mass ejections. Solar flares are sudden eruptions of magnetic energy on the Sun's surface, releasing intense bursts of X-rays and ultraviolet radiation. Coronal mass ejections, on the other hand, are massive expulsions of plasma and magnetic fields from the Sun's corona, hurtling billions of tons of charged particles into space. The impact of solar storms on Earth. When solar storms strike the Earth, they can have a range of adverse effects on our planet and its inhabitants. The intense radiation from solar flares can disrupt radio communications, GPS navigation, and satellite operations, leading to widespread disruptions in telecommunications and navigation systems. Coronal mass ejections can also induce geomagnetic storms, which can interfere with power grids, causing blackouts and electrical grid failures. Historical examples of solar storms. Throughout history, there have been several notable examples of solar storms wreaking havoc on Earth. One such event occurred in 1859, known as the Carrington Event, when a massive solar flare and coronal mass ejection caused widespread auroras and disrupted telegraph systems across North America and Europe. More recently, in 1989, a geomagnetic storm induced by a solar flare knocked out power to millions of people in Quebec, Canada. The threat to modern civilization. In our modern, technology-dependent world, the threat posed by solar storms looms larger than ever before. Our reliance on interconnected electrical grids, satellite communications, and electronic devices makes us vulnerable to the disruptive effects of solar storms. A major solar storm could potentially cause widespread power outages, disrupt global communications, and cripple vital infrastructure, leading to cascading societal and economic disruptions. Mitigating the risks of solar storms. While the threat of solar storms cannot be eliminated entirely, there are measures that can be taken to mitigate their impact on our civilization. Improved space weather forecasting and early warning systems can provide valuable lead time to prepare for and respond to solar storm events. Hardening critical infrastructure against electromagnetic interference and implementing backup systems can also help minimize the impact of solar storms on vital services. The call for preparedness and resilience. As we confront the reality of living in the shadow of the sun's fury, it is essential that we take proactive steps to prepare for the inevitable occurrence of solar storms. By investing in robust infrastructure, enhancing our understanding of space weather, and fostering international cooperation, we can build a more resilient civilization capable of weathering the cosmic storms that lie ahead. Closing reflections. As we conclude our exploration of the threat posed by solar storms, we are reminded of the fragile balance between humanity and the cosmos. While the sun sustains life on Earth, it also reminds us of our vulnerability to the forces of nature. By working together and embracing scientific knowledge, we can safeguard our civilization and navigate the challenges of an ever-changing universe.